This machine weighs a lot, about 13,000 pounds, a little over. Trailer's, I don't know, 3,500 for probably, which, needless to say, squats my truck. So I got airbags installed on it, wireless airlift. Don't go below 5 pounds on it, and I found the ideal spot for me to have to tow well and be level is 60 pounds. So you just do your wireless remote. Got an onboard compressor, get it to 60. Compressor kicks on. No more squat. Truck's level, trailer's level. Don't have to worry about fishtailing. It'll maintain it at that 60 pounds also. When it gets up to the 60 pounds, compressor will kick off. And no more squat. I got these at Bazzell's Truck and Camper in Montgomery, Alabama. When you go, you can ask for BJ or Jonathan. Either one at Bazzell's Truck and Camper in Montgomery, Alabama can install the airlift airbag system for you.